Making money online can be difficult, especially if you're unsure where to start from. Besides that, it can be so frustrating when all the scammers want to take advantage of you. That notwithstanding, it is possible to start making money online if you follow these key steps. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will tell you 6 key steps to make money online as a beginner. Step 1. Identify your skill and passion. The first step to follow in order to make money online is to identify your skill and passion. What you are good at doing are the things you should focus on when looking for ways to make money online. Step 2. Identify and sell profitable products or services. Once you have identified what you are good at, the next thing is to find which one will be profitable. It should be a specific area of interest or industry where there is demand for the products or services you want to offer. Selling products or services online is the easiest way for anyone with a computer and internet connection to make money. The good news is that you can do it from anywhere in the world. All you need is an idea, product, or service, and plenty of e-commerce sites will help you get started. There are numerous ways to accomplish this. You may consider the following if that is where your interest is. Do freelancer work. Freelancing is one of the best ways for you to make money online. The good thing about freelancing is having flexible hours and working from home. Additionally, you can choose whom to work with and what type of projects you want to take on. Freelancer sites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr allow you to create a profile of your skills and then offer your services to clients. You can make money by doing anything from writing articles and blogs, translating documents or images, designing logos or websites, and even making promotional videos. As a freelancer, you did not need exceptional experience or qualifications. All that is required is a PC or smartphone, and you are on your way to get paid. Participate in online surveys. Participating in online surveys is another way to make money online. It is an easy, flexible, and convenient way to earn extra cash by taking surveys from the comfort of your home or on the go via your mobile device. Many survey panels are out there, and you'll have access to a wide range of online surveys on topics such as TV commercials, family health issues, and food safety. Some online survey sites pay handsomely and promptly with very few questions asked. The following are well-known survey sites: 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬, Life Points, Inbox Dollars, Survey Junkie, Opinion Outpost, 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬, Tuluma Influencers, MyPoints. Start a blog and monetize it. Blogging is another way to make money online. You can monetize your blog through various methods: advertising, affiliate links, sponsored posts, and selling your products and services. Your success will depend on how frequently you post content. The more you post, the more money you make, who your audience are, and what type of content they're interested in. For example, if it's finance-related or fashion-related. Be a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants work from home and do tasks online for other people. Virtual assistant tasks include data entry, event planning, copywriting, marketing, and more. You can find clients through websites like Odesk or Elance. Making money online by working as a virtual assistant is highly recommended because you set your work plan and you are your own boss. Many people aren't aware that they can also be virtual assistants with tasks like online research, email correspondence, social media management, transcribing audio files, and other light duties. Additionally, the finest aspect is that you do these from any location as long as you have internet connectivity. You need an account with one of these companies: TaskRabbit or People Per Hour. Tutor students online. You can also make money by teaching people how to do things online. Platforms like Udemy and Lynda offer tutorials for various subjects, and students are willing to pay for the service. You can also use an app like Clarity, which connects tutors with students in real time. Not only will this help you make money online, but it will allow you to learn more about a certain topic. Tutoring is a great way to share your expertise while making extra money. Sell photos online. One of the simplest ways to make money online is by selling your photos. If you are skilled with a camera, take some time this weekend and snap some shots. Upload them to a photo-sharing site like Flickr, and then create an account on one of the many stock photo sites like Shutterstock or iStockPhoto. Then post links to your photos on blogs, forums, and other websites to drive traffic back to your stock photo site and get sales. You'll also get paid for every download. It's an easy way to make money. You only need to take images. Step 3. Create a website for or online platform your business. Now that you have identified your niche or area of interest, in order to sell your products or services online, you will need to have a website or online platform to promote this. This could be a blog, an e-commerce store, or even a social media account. Step 4. Create and market your products or services. After getting a website or an online platform to do your business, it is now time to create your products or services. Here, you go back to what you have identified in step 1 or 2. This could be anything from writing articles and blogs, translating documents or images, designing logos or websites, and even making promotional videos. Once you have your products or services ready, it is time to market them to your target audience. Step 5. Use social media and other marketing strategies. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching and engaging with potential customers. Be sure to set up social accounts on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter and use them to promote your products and services. You can also use other marketing strategies like email marketing and paid advertising to reach even more people. Step 6. Be persistent and keep learning. Making money online takes time and effort, and it is important to stay motivated and keep learning. Do not be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep working at it, and you will eventually start to see a return on investment. So guys, that was all about today's topic. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.